We're going to be learning how to make this easy paper snowflake. We're going to be learning how to make this beautiful snowflake in the center, and all you'll need for this craft is a piece of normal A4 white paper. So let's get started. The first step we're going to do is take our A4 sheet of paper and fold over the top right corner. As you can see, this makes a triangle shape with a rectangle at the end. Now we're just going to fold over the rectangle and crease the edge next to the triangle. Now either with scissors or just by tearing the line, you're going to remove the rectangle from the triangle. As you can see here, we've just got a square. Okay, so the next step we'll be doing is taking our square, we're going to fold the bottom left corner to the top right corner. And this will form our first crease. And then you're going to fold this triangle in half. And now we're going to take this triangle and fold one side over in sort of an ice cream cone shape, as you can see here on the screen. And then once you've done that, you're going to turn it over again and fold the other side over to the left, as you can see. And we get this sort of ice cream cone shape once we've finished. Now you're going to take a pen and draw a line just across so we just get a triangle shape. And then we're going to cut across this line. Now we're going to draw the design for our snowflake. You can draw any design you like and be as creative as you want to and just experiment and see which design you like. But if you want to follow along, this is the design we'll be drawing. Start at the bottom of the triangle and gradually follow this design that I'm drawing on the screen until you get to the top of the triangle. And keep drawing parallel lines as I've shown. And now we've drawn our design, we're just going to cut along the lines to get our final snowflake. And there we go. All that we have to do now is open up our snowflake and see what it looks like. And here's our finished snowflake. This is the perfect Christmas craft for adults and kids alike. You can experiment with the designs and come up with all sorts of different snowflakes. They're all unique, just like in nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this craft.